Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. And today we are going to discuss about the web hosting. Okay, our first topic is web hosting. Web hosting is a service that uploads and store a site HTML documents and related files on a web server. What it will do? It will upload and store a site HTML documents and related files on a web server. Okay, one can view the site available on the World Wide Web by a web browser client. Okay, are you getting? Basically, web hosting is a service which helps you to upload and store your HTML document into your web server, and one can view the site by the help of your www or World Wide Web with a web browser client. Okay, that is the work of your web hosting. Now let us see about search engine, how it works. Okay, search engine. A search engine is a program on the World Wide Web which searches for information on the internet. Okay, what it will do? It is a search engine and it will help you to search information on the internet. The search engine used keywords entered by the user and display the web pages with the information. Okay, what it will do and how it will work? It will search your keywords which is entered by the user and display the web pages with the information. For example, Google, Bing and Yahoo are some popular search engines which we are using. Yes or no? What is the work of your search engines? It will help you to search information on the internet, and how? With the help of your keyword entered by the user. So it will display the information on the web pages. Some popular search engines are your Google, Bing, Yahoo. These are the some famous search engines. Now let's see about online and offline. The term online is commonly referred to as connected to the World Wide Web via the internet. What it is? Online means it is referred to as connected to the World Wide Web via internet. Okay, it is connected to the World Wide Web through your internet. That is called online. Offline refers to the action performed when the user is not connected to the internet. Okay, what is online? When you are connected with the internet, that is called online, and when you are not connected with the internet, that is called offline. Okay, as simple as it is. Okay, now let's see about URL. Okay, URL means uniform or universal resource locator or web address. Now see how it works. Each website has an address called its URL. What it is? Called its URL. The URL is the address of the web server on which the website is stored. Okay. What it is? The URL is the address of the web server on which the website is stored. Web browser can access web pages by using the URL of a web page. For example, your http /www.cbse.nic.in. These are the some example of your web pages or URL. Okay, if you will type this URL in your search engine, then simply you will go to the page or it will open the page. It will help you like that. URL is very important. Okay, when you are searching something, URL will help you to reach to your destination very fast. If you having the URL, simply by clicking on the URL you can reach to your resource, what information you want. That's the work of URL. Now let's see about domain. Domain name. The domain name is the unique name that identifies an internet site. Okay, what is work? The domain name is the unique name which help you to identify the internet site. Domain names are used in URLs to identify particular web pages. Why we are using domain name? It will help you to identify a particular web pages. For example, when you are typing the URL http://www.carmeldelhi.com/index.html. The domain name is carmeldelhi.com. Okay, it will help you to find out the particular web pages. Okay, so every domain name has the domain type as suffix. Okay, every domain name has the domain type as suffix. A domain type represents the type of organization or country where the web server hosting the site is located. Okay, how it works? A domain type represents the type of organization or country where the web server hosting the site is located. For example, if you see .gov means government agencies, .edu means educational institution, .org means organization or non-profit, .mil means military, .com means commercial business, .net means network organizations, .in means India, .ca means Canada, .th means Thailand. Okay, these are the some domain name which we read now. So this is how the domain name work and how its work we learned. Now let's discuss about the IP addresses or IP address. It is a unique numeric identifier used to specify computers and network. What it is? IP address means unique numeric identifier used to specify computers and network. Internet protocol or IP numbers are part of a global standardized scheme for identifying machines that are connected to the internet. Why we are using IP address? To find out or identify the machines that are connected to the internet. Okay, for that purpose we are using IP address. Through IP address you can identify the user where they are located. Okay, technically speaking, IP numbers are 32 bits addresses that consist of 4 sets of 4 numbers between 0 and 255 separated by periods. Okay, if technically I will speak about IP address means it is a 32-bit addresses and it consists of 4 sets of 4 numbers between 0 and 255 separated by periods. For example, if I will say an IP address is 198.41.0.52 and 255.255.255.0. This is the example of a IP address. Okay, are you getting? Because the internet is based on IP addresses, not